Hello, tutorial shows you how to fix laptop locking automatically, laptop auto shutdown problem. I have battery problem on my laptop battery is dead. So, when I run my laptop, I get the following warning. Your battery has experienced permanent failure, and needs to be replaced. Strike the F1 key to continue, F2 to run the setup utility. Anyway, you may don't get the warning like this. But if your laptop locking automatically, and keeps auto shutdown, you can try this solution, to stop laptop automatically locking. So, let's hit F1 to start my laptop. We have to try 3 short steps, to prevent laptop from locking automatically. First of all, go to battery settings. And turn off battery saver option. Normally, my laptop auto-locking in a few minutes. So, I speed up time. As you see, my laptop hibernating, and then locking. Okay, let's try second step to stop laptop automatically locking. Run the laptop again, and now, we need to change some power options. But to keep the laptop running, and avoid automatically locking, better to switch it in safe mode. Okay, to start Windows in safe mode, press and hold the Shift key on the keyboard. And then restart the computer. Continue to hold down Shift key, until the blue screen with the Choose an option appears. Click Troubleshoot. Go to Advanced Options. And then Startup Settings. Click Restart button. And strike 4 on your keyboard, to boot Windows in safe mode. Open Control Panel. Go to Power Options. And click on Choose when to turn off the display. Set Turn off the display to Never. Then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Hard Disk. And set 0 minutes, for turn off hard disk. Click Apply to save changes. Then scroll down and find PCI Express. Expand it. Expand Link State Power Management. And set it to off. Then click Apply and OK to save changes. Okay, the last step, step 3, to stop laptop locking automatically. We need to disable battery driver. Go to Computer Management. Click on Device Manager. Find and expand batteries. We have to disable the Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery driver. Right-click on it, and select Disable Device. Click Yes to save changes. If you see two battery drivers with the same name, disable both of them. Restart your computer to run it to normal mode. All steps are done. Hope it helps you. To fix laptop locking automatically, laptop auto shutdown problem. Thanks for watching. If that sounds like something that could help you, then make sure to join me, subscribe to my channel with notification, and be the first who get more great tips and tricks.